So let's start with an unboxing. First up, we have the phone itself, and it's already rocking a protective case. Major points for that. Not all companies these days include a case. I think they like to make money out of you letting you drop it, and finding a good one later can be a hassle, and this one fits like an absolute glove. Moving on, we've got the usual suspects. We've got a USB-C charging cable in the box. We've got a USB-C charging cable there, and an 18-watt fast charger. It's great to see a complete package as well as the instruction guides. Well guys, what's my first impressions of the phone? Well, as you can see, it's got a sleek 8.8mm ultra-thin body. Now you've got to see it there on the screen, but that's compared to my finger then. The modern design really stands out, and I have to say it feels great in the hand. The C38 comes in 3 colors, green, black, and white. Now I've got the green/white color, and as you can see, it looks very, very stylish. But let's talk about the display. So Oukitel boasts a 6.6-inch 2K display. It's crisp, vibrant, and perfect for both entertainment and productivity. Watching videos on this screen is going to be a treat, and we'll test it out shortly so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Now guys, before we dive into the performance, let's quickly check out the camera setup. Now, as you saw with the previous Oukitel ones, we did the RT8 and a WP36. It had an amazing camera setup, particularly for the phones. They had a Samsung one. So on this one, they've actually got a Sony camera. So at the back there, it's got a 48 megapixel camera, and at the front, a 32 megapixel front camera. Now that comes better than a lot of more premium smartphones you have, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. It's also got 0.3 megapixel depth camera as well.